Are you tired of looking in the mirror and seeing stubborn belly fat that just won't go away? You try dieting, you try random workouts, but nothing seems to work. And the most frustrating part? You don't have time for the gym, expensive trainers, or complicated routines. Well, today, that changes. In this video, I'm going to show you 6 powerful exercises that you can do right at home, no equipment. No excuses, that specifically target belly fat and help you burn calories fast. These moves are beginner-friendly, highly effective, and if you stay until the end, I'll share a bonus tip that can double your fat-burning results. But listen carefully, belly fat isn't just about how you look. It affects your confidence, your energy, and even your health. And the truth is, the key isn't doing hundreds of crunches. It's about combining smart movements that activate your entire core and boost your metabolism. So if you're serious about flattening your stomach, improving your confidence, and finally seeing results, stay with me until the end. Before we start, comment below. I'm ready. Let's build this transformation together. Now let's get into exercise number 1. 1. Plank. The plank is one of the most effective exercises for strengthening the entire core, including the transverse abdominis, deep belly muscle, rectus abdominis, and obliques. It also engages the shoulders, chest, and glutes. To perform a proper plank, start by placing your forearms on the floor with elbows directly under your shoulders. Extend your legs straight back, keeping your toes tucked under. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Avoid letting your hips sag or rise too high. Engage your core by tightening your stomach muscles as if bracing for a punch. Keep your neck neutral and gaze slightly forward. Hold the position for 20 to 60 seconds depending on your fitness level. Focus on steady breathing instead of holding your breath. As you progress, increase your hold time or try variations such as side planks or shoulder taps. The plank is excellent for belly fat loss because it strengthens the core and increases muscle endurance, which helps boost metabolism over time. Although spot reduction is not possible, stronger abdominal muscles create a firmer midsection as overall body fat decreases. Perform 3 to 4 sets daily for best results. 2. Bicycle crunches. Bicycle crunches are highly effective for targeting the upper abs, lower abs, and especially the obliques, which help define the waistline. To begin, lie flat on your back with your hands gently supporting your head and elbows wide. Lift your legs off the ground and bend your knees at about 90 degrees. Bring your right elbow toward your left knee while extending your right leg straight. Then switch sides in a pedaling motion. Move in a slow, controlled manner rather than rushing. Focus on twisting your torso instead of just moving your arms. This rotational movement activates more abdominal muscle fibers and increases calorie burn. Perform 15 to 20 repetitions per side for 3 to 4 sets. Keep your lower back pressed into the floor to avoid strain. Bicycle crunches elevate your heart rate while strengthening the abdominal wall. When combined with a calorie-controlled diet and regular cardio, they help reduce overall fat, including belly fat. Consistency is key. Perform them 3 to 5 times per week and gradually increase repetitions as your endurance improves. 3. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers combine cardio and core strengthening into one dynamic movement. They are excellent for burning calories while engaging the abdominal muscles. Start in a high plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders and body straight. Bring one knee toward your chest, then quickly switch legs as if running in place. Keep your core tight and hips low throughout the exercise. The faster you move while maintaining proper form, the greater the calorie burn. Beginners can perform the movement slowly to focus on form, while advanced individuals can increase speed or add intervals. Do 30 to 45 seconds per set for 3 to 5 sets. Mountain climbers increase heart rate quickly, helping burn body fat. Since belly fat reduces only when overall body fat decreases, high-intensity exercises like this are very effective. Combine them with strength training and healthy eating for optimal results. 4. Leg raises. Leg raises are particularly effective for strengthening the lower abdominal area. Lie flat on your back, with your legs extended and arms by your sides or under your hips for support. Keeping your legs straight, slowly lift them toward the ceiling until they form a 90-degree angle with your torso. Then lower them slowly without letting your feet touch the ground. The key is control. Avoid swinging your legs or arching your lower back. Engage your core and move slowly during both lifting and lowering phases. Perform 12 to 15 repetitions for 3 to 4 sets. This exercise strengthens the lower abs and improves core stability. While it does not directly burn belly fat alone, it helps tone the abdominal muscles. When combined with cardio and a proper diet, leg raises contribute to a flatter and stronger midsection. 5. Russian twists. Russian twists target the obliques and improve rotational core strength. Sit on the floor with knees bent and feet slightly lifted off the ground. Lean back slightly while keeping your spine straight. Clasp your hands together and twist your torso to the right, then to the left. For more intensity, hold a weight or medicine ball. Keep movements controlled and focus on squeezing your core with each twist. Perform 20 total twists for 3 to 4 sets. Russian twists strengthen the sides of the abdomen, helping define the waist. They also improve balance and stability. Combined with overall fat loss, they help create a leaner midsection. 6. Burpees. Burpees are one of the most powerful full-body exercises for burning fat. Start standing, squat down, place your hands on the floor, jump your feet back into a plank, perform a push-up jump, your feet back forward, and explode upward into a jump. This exercise combines strength training and cardio, dramatically increasing heart rate and calorie burn. Perform 8 to 15 repetitions for 3 to 4 sets. Burpees are extremely effective for reducing body fat because they activate multiple muscle groups at once. The higher the intensity, the more calories burned. When combined with healthy eating and consistency, burpees help reduce overall body fat, including stubborn belly fat. First of all, I'm proud of you. You didn't just watch. You showed up for yourself. And that's where real change begins. Remember, this belly fat doesn't disappear overnight. But if you stay consistent with these 6 exercises, even just 15 to 20 minutes a day, you will see results. Not just physically, but mentally. You'll feel stronger, more confident, more energized. The biggest mistake people make is quitting too early. They try for 1 week, don't see dramatic changes, and stop. Don't be that person. Give yourself 21 days, commit fully, save this video, come back daily, and track your progress. If you made it this far, comment below. Day 1 done. I read the comments, and I want to support your journey. And if this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more fat-burning workouts. Share this with someone who needs motivation. We're building a strong, confident community here, and you're now part of it. Your transformation starts today. Let's stay consistent. Let's stay disciplined. I'll see you in the next workout.